Hello everyone, welcome to my Blink Mini indoor camera review. This is one of the most feature-rich security camera over the marketplace. This Blink Mini indoor smart home security camera has lots of cool features. This is a plug-in smart security camera and it has 180p HD video quality, and this works with Alexa, and it has night vision and lots more. In my video, I will discuss about all the key points of this Blink Mini indoor camera, its details, features, setup process, what you will get inside this box, some most important questions and answer what may come into your mind, then what you will get inside the box. So after watching my video, you will get an in-depth information about this Blink Mini indoor camera, and at last I will also give my final opinion so that you can make your purchase decision very easily. So keep watching my video, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel Awesome Stuff Review and click the bell icon to get notification for every trending Amazon products review. So let's start the review. So first of all, I would like to discuss about the details of Blink Mini indoor camera. So the size of this Blink Mini indoor camera is 2-inch long and 1.9 inch wide and 1.4 inch height, and the weight is only 1.7 ounces, and it has 110-degree diagonal field of view, and the video resolution is up to 180p, and the camera frame rate is up to 30 frames per second, and the power source is plug-in, and this is an indoor home security camera, so the placement is only indoor. Okay. Then the available color is white, and it requires the iOS version 12.5, Android version 5.0 or the Fire OS version 5.1, and you need to download the Blink Home Monitor app to control this Blink indoor camera, and it has speaker output and two-way audio recording system, and this is the first generation of Blink Mini indoor camera. It releases on the 2020, and it has 1 year limited warranty and services, and the price is only $34.99. I think this is very worthable because it has lots of cool features. Okay, and then I would like to discuss about the features of this Blink Mini indoor camera. So it has 180p HD indoor plug-in security camera with motion detection and two-way audio that lets you monitor the inside of your home day and night. You can see the inside of your home on your smartphone no matter where you are with this Blink Mini's HD video and built-in infrared night vision. And with the use of Blink's latest chip technology, Blink Mini lets you customize motion detection zones, so you are only alerted to the movement that matters to you. And this Blink Mini lets you see what's happening in your home, but also hear and talk back. It's like being home even when you are not. This is a very cool feature, and you can stream live video, arm and disarm your camera and more just by using your voice with Alexa. Now I would like to discuss about the Blink subscription plan. It has two versions like cloud storage. With this cloud storage, you can record, view and save events in your Blink app with a free 30-day trial of the Blink subscription plan. Then you can subscribe for access to cloud storage and exclusive features. You just only need to pay $3 per month per camera and $10 per month for an unlimited number of cameras on one account, or you can also subscribe annually to save more. But if you don't like this Blink subscription plan, then you have other option like local storage. You can use the local storage Blink Sync Module 2, and you can save motion clips and photos from up to 10 Blink cameras connected to the Blink Sync Module 2 locally in your home and view them through the Blink app or the computer by plugging in a USB flash device, and it requires no additional fee, but these USB flash drive are sold separately. This is all about the Blink subscription plan. Now what you will get inside the box when you by this Blink Mini indoor camera. So you will get Blink Mini camera. It depend on the quantity of camera you selected. Like you can select one camera, you can select two camera or three camera. It totally depend on you. And you will get one stand. This will be attached on this camera, and two mounting screws per camera, one USB cable and one power adapter. Okay, and this Blink Mini camera is very simple to set up and use. This only setup process is 3 steps. So in step 1 you have to plug in the camera, and in step 2 you have download the Blink Home Monitor app on your smartphone and add the camera to your account. Then in step 3 you have to place this Blink Mini on a flat surface, or you can also use the included stand. And for added functionality you can connect this Alexa to this camera, and using the Alexa. This is all about the setup process of this Blink Mini camera. This is very simple and very easy. Okay, now I would like to discuss about the most asked questions and answer. This is the most asked question and answer. The first question is, do you have to have the subscription, or will it work or save clips with your other Blink devices? So the answer is, if you are an existing Blink customer, the Mini will save video to the cloud just like your other Blink cameras. There is no subscription required, but if you are not an existing customer, then you get the trial subscription and have to pay later. Then the next question is, how long is the power cord? So the power cord is 2-meter micro USB cord, like this is 6.5 feet. And the another question is, can you watch live from your phone? So the answer is, you are able to access the live view on the Blink cameras at any time through the Blink app on your compatible mobile device. This is all about the most asked question and answer. Now it's time for my final opinion. Basically, in my opinion, I highly recommend this Blink Mini security camera, because Blink Mini indoor camera is a super affordable home security camera. Its affordable price, coupled with its strong set of features, 180p resolution, two-way talk, motion detection with activity zones, and lots more, is one of its greatest assets. And it's also a good entry level camera if you want to establish a Blink security camera system for your home. And at only $35 it won't break your bank. So from my side, I highly recommend to Blink Mini indoor camera, surely worth a try. I have put the special link in my description below. You can check it out and make your best deal. And if you have any questions through my video, then please ask in the comment section. I will try my best to answer them. And thanks everyone for watching my video till the end. Hope it will help you to make your personal decision. And thanks again for watching my video till the end. Have a great day. See you on the next video.